my name's Matilda.
And my name's Ben.
And today we'll be doing...
So today we're looking at the Blink Video Doorbell. We've been waiting for a long time for this to be available in the UK. Now it's available in Italy. How excited are you?
Good. Very excited.
Yeah, so what we'll do first, we're going to do an unboxing first out of Matilda.
Yes.
Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just pop it down there. And let me just flick the view. In fact, before we do that, Matilda, let's just have a look at it on Amazon, because we've bought off Amazon, so let's have a quick look at it on Amazon. So let's flick onto this view, look at the Amazon web browser here. So if I just look at the Blink Doorbell, yeah, on Amazon, it should load there. Okay, there it is, $49.99. So it's just come out in the UK. It's been available in the US for quite a while. It's just out in the UK last couple of days, and we got our hands on it straight away. Didn't we, Matilda? We've been waiting on it. It's got a Blink system in our house and outside, so it kind of fits in perfectly. So it's there on Amazon. I'll put a link to for our associates link in the description, so you can click on there and get it if you want. But let's leave that alone and then go into the unboxing. So we've got a different view down here. You see me and Matilda on our new workbench in here. So we've got the doorbell. Yeah. So we're going to unbox it, Tilda.
Yay!
Yeah. Well, shall I cut it and then you can open it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So packaged up, basic plastic packaging.
Can I open it?
So let me get the plastic off and then you can open the box, Matilda. Yes. Okay. Like so.
Yay!
So keep showing that to the camera. So you got the box. So I think it lifts up, I think, Matilda. So look, that off there like that. Yeah, slide it up. Okay, straight away, that little diagram on the front, like so. Box there, that one there. Instructions, different stuff on there at Matilda. Install wired or wire free. Okay, you open it up. So I think you pull that tab there. Okay, so there it is. I'll show the camera. The video doorbell. So it's a bit dark there. I need to sort of lighting out in here, I think. Okay, so take the doorbell out. I'll let you take it out. Okay, so Matilda's got the doorbell itself. Just 1 second, Matilda. We've got that there, which I think is going to be the mounting plate. To put it onto the wall, and then we'll put the camera onto that there. So we'll put that to one side for a minute, because that will be important. In the box as well, we've got instructions. We've got some screws and some plugs.
Where's the...
1 second, Matilda. We've got some other little tabs. I think that's if you're wiring it in. We're not going to wire it. We're just going to use batteries. And a little diagram there.
Where's the battery?
And then we've got some batteries here. So these are ultimate lithium batteries. So I've noticed that on other Blink cameras, it's the ultimate lithium batteries you need. I've tried out normal lithium ones before, and they've not lasted long at all. So you do need that ultimate lithium. But you do get some real good usage out of them Blink cameras, like a couple of years usage if you only use them really. Yeah, open that plastic. Let's put these boxes out of the way, Matilda, over there. Let's move that like so.
Oop.
So Matilda's taking off the plastic.
Sad.
We're supposed to probably just take little bits, certain bits off first.
So that's the doorbell. Can we try it?
So that's the doorbell. So we'll just unbox it in here first. Okay. What we'll do here, you just keep all that there. Set Matilda, just lift it up to the camera, show them. That's it. Look to that one there, that camera there. Got it. So we've got one of the outdoor Blink cameras here, just to show in comparison as well. So put them down there like that. So it's quite a nice size. Obviously the ring ones are a lot bigger. We wanted the Blink one as well because it's smaller, and we'll see on our door frame when we do the installation why we went for the smaller, thinner one because of our door frame. But there it is in comparison to one of the outdoor cameras. Kind of exactly the same thickness of it. Obviously height's double, about half the width. So that's that. We'll go outside, Matilda, cool down because it's absolutely red hot in here.
Yeah, it's red hot there.
Boiling hot in here, so we're back for that camera. So yeah, so we've got the camera. There's a Blink one. We've got the mounting plate. We've got the batteries. I think we've got everything, Matilda.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll go outside.
Red hot.
And we can go install it. Okay, see you in a minute.
Bye. This is where we're going to put it, but first we're going to connect it to the Wi-Fi.
Okay, so we're going to put the batteries in now, Matilda. So if you unclip that plastic clip, push it up, look, so there, look.
Okay.
And that comes off like that. Yeah? No, so then that way like that, push it down. Okay, and that one like that and push it down. Come on. Okay, and then that in like that, push that plastic clip down, and that's in. Okay, so we'll go across to the app now and we'll set it up in the application. Okay, so batteries are in just before we set up, just to show that the red light just blinking away there just before we set it up. So I'll go across the screen onto the screen capture now and try and capture the setup. Okay, so we're on our home screen now, so we're going to flick up and we're going to go into the Blink application. Got 3 systems set up on ours, but we're going to put it onto the Huson indoor extension one, onto that module. So we're simply going to move that out of the way. We're going to press on Add Device at the top right hand corner. We're going to click on Blink Video Doorbell. And then on the back, we've got the serial number, which I'll try and blur out in the video, but let's see what happens. It's picked up the QR code. So we're going to connect it to the Huson indoor extension module. Remove battery cover, we've already done that. Continue. We've put the batteries in, let's continue. The LED light is blinking on there, so let's click continue.
Now
See how Let's see how long this takes. So this is in real time, although the doorbell has stopped blinking. Oh no, it's still blinking, just quite slowly, just a bit longer. So this is in real time. I'll try not to speed this up unless it takes forever. Updating firmware, so it's detected the camera, Tilda. I've got a notification saying it's linked to Alexa, which is good. That's straight away done that. So again, we'll try and keep this real time if we can, just to give you a good view on it. Hopefully it won't take too long, then we can actually connect it to the door frame, Matilda. Still in real time. So the red light on the camera is now flashing a little quicker, blinking away. It stopped blinking now. Okay, so it's been added to the app. Do you want to mount it on the wall now? Yes, we're going to mount it now, aren't we, Matilda?
Yeah.
So before you get started, you need your doorbell kit, obviously 2 screws.
Yep, we got them.
Power drill, okay, continue. We don't want to do it to our chime box, we've got no existing wiring. No for that. We'll use a wedge or corner, no. Okay.
So we need to screw that on. There's 3 screws, but we only have 2.
Okay, so this is fine, what's in the instructions. Put the screws in, that's fine. Place it onto the back plate, that's absolutely fine. Okay, so that's the app done. So we've got the free storage, we've got the doorbell. Let's just get an updated picture so we can see it. It's not mounted yet, but it should show Matilda on the screen here. It's taking a picture. We're ready. Get an update through. There we go, me and Matilda. Okay, so we'll stop the screen share, we'll jump over to the camera, and we'll actually do the install of the camera on the door now. Okay, welcome back. Me and Matilda are back outside now. We're going to install the camera here. Matilda's got the other camera, this one. She's going to get some close-ups with it. So ignore it on this one. She's going to get some close-ups of the install, showing you what we're doing. Okay, Matilda, are you ready? Okay, you're a bit close there, Tilda. Stand back a bit. So we've got the template. I'll show the template to that camera, and we'll show it to that camera. The template there, we're going to put that onto the door frame, like so. Like that there. Putting that on the door frame there. So that's onto the door frame there. Same height as his old doorbell there, like that. So we're going to drill some little holes for the template. Like that. One there. And then one there. That's the template done. Okay, 2 little holes still there. So we'll just do them a little bit deeper. Like that. Okay. Put that one down. You get a close-up shot of them 2 holes then, Tilda. Okay. Next bit, we're going to put the mounting plate on. So I'll show the one to that camera. There, like that. That's the mounting plate. Matilda, you want to get a video of that? You're getting too close. Just hold it there. That's the mounting plate. That's going to go on there. So them holes now should line up with our holes that we did, which it perfectly does. Okay, let's get the other drill.
Yeah, get the other one that's very sharp.
Okay.
Stand back.
So we'll put it through there like so. And then we'll drill it in. Like that.
Perfect.
Like that. Okay. And the second one in. Like that. Get it nice and tight like that. Okay. So okay, let's have a look at that one, Matilda. So you can see it there. Looking good. Matilda. Okay, so that's the mounting plate on, secure. Okay. So you get that, Tills.
Yep.
And you just stand there, turn around again, let me get the doorbell.
Ooh, we're going to connect the doorbell now.
So we're going to put the doorbell on now, aren't we? Okay. So we'll put the top bit on first, like so. Then click it down. Nice click there, so that's solid now. Okay, so step back, let's have a look at it. You can see it installed there. Awesome. Okay, so we'll stop the recording there and then we'll do some testing of it now.
Yay!
Okay, so we're out with doorbell. So we've got everything set up now. Set up in the app. Set up to notify on the other Blink, other Amazon Echo devices in the house. So we're going to test it and we'll just try and show you testing it. So I'm going to go inside the kitchen. We've got an Echo Show. Matilda's going to press the button.
Yeah.
So we're hoping when Matilda presses the button, it makes a noise on the Blink Mini in the porch, and then also shows and makes notification noises inside the house. So I'm going to use the other camera and we'll try and do it side by side so we'll get this working, hopefully. So this is filming, Tilda, say hello.
Hi!
So I'm going to go in the house, and when I say press it, I want you to press it. Okay? Okay, not yet. Not yet. So Matilda's there. In the house is there. We've got an Echo Show in the corner. I'm going to walk over there, Tilda, okay? When I say press it, press it. Alright, you ready? Okay, press it! Okay, so it rang on the Mini. That's cool. I got a notification on my watch because I felt that vibrate. But nothing on there. Okay. So I'll go back to the doorbell and we'll see what we can do. Okay, that's cool, that's fine. So press it again, Matilda. So it makes it... It made a noise on there.
It makes a noise outside as well.
Okay. Okay, let's do it one more time. I've got the Echo plug there as well. Okay, so stop, we'll pause recording there. I'll go into the app and see what we can mess about with. Back in a sec. Okay, we're going to give it another go. I'm going to do a screen recording on my phone. I'm going to get the notification on my phone because I definitely got the notification. So, I'm going to start recording my phone screen, which you'll see there. Matilda's there. She's going to press the doorbell when I tell her to. Okay? So, I've got my phone. Matilda's in there. Got the Echo Show, which still didn't, although we've got Do Not Disturb turned on the Echo Show actually. So let's turn that off first. That might be why we didn't get anything on there. Do Not Disturb turned on. Right, so we'll turn Do Not Disturb off. Awesome. Okay, so screen recording. So Matilda, when you're ready, press it. Okay, Matilda's pressed it. Got a notification on my phone.
Someone is at the Huson doorbell.
Okay. Click on notification on my phone. So got the phone. So we can see Matilda there. Just step back from the door, Matilda. Step back from the door. Okay. Hi Matilda, can you hear me? Okay, so we've got two-way speaking there as well. Matilda, we're going to start making tea now. Are you going to come in? Okay, so there's about a second delay, which isn't too bad if you're remote. But that's definitely worked this time, so we'll close that down. And then we'll finish off. Okay, so we've got it working now. Matilda on the doorbell there. So Matilda, say hello. Okay, all good. Bye, Tilda. Yeah. Okay, all done, all installed. First of all, apologies about the first part of the video. There was the frame rate was set incorrectly, so it's a bit choppy. So apologies for that. But that's all done, all installed. Hopefully the unboxing was useful, seeing the product, the installation on the obviously on our door frame, and then a little bit of usage of it. So we'll keep using it, see how we get on, and we'll post a bit of an update review in maybe a few weeks' time. Other than that, any comments, please have them in the comment section. Give the video a like if you liked it, or dislike if you didn't like it. And subscribe if you want to follow on for more videos. Okay, cheers, goodbye.